Ever feel like you just want to let go, but it's really, really hard? That's what surrender is all about. It's not about quitting. It's about learning to relax, even when things feel messy or scary. I was thinking about this after talking with some friends. One friend had a great idea. Practice with baby steps. Write down your worries or grumpy thoughts in a journal and then just let them go. It's a small, kind way to trust that things will be okay. This reminded me that meditation is like a workout for your letting go muscle. Every time you sit quietly and let your busy thoughts float away, you practice surrender. Meditation saved me when I was very sick. I was suffering from severe dehydration and the pain got really bad. My mind would focus on the pain and just freak out, which made everything feel worse. Once it got so bad I ended up in the hospital. I learned to stop listening to the voice in my head that only complains and makes things seem worse. A teacher named Eckhart Tolle calls it the pain body. I like to call it something silly like Krabby Bottom or Grizzle Grump. Giving it a funny name helps me not take it so seriously. Now, when I notice that voice, I say, "Oh, that's just old Krabby Bottom talking. Thanks, but I don't need to listen to you all day." Then I turn down the volume in my mind. That's me surrendering, letting go of the drama so I can focus on better thoughts. I learned a huge lesson. When I keep my spirits up, my pain gets softer. When my thoughts get dark, the pain gets stronger. So surrender isn't about ignoring your feelings. It's about feeling them, and then letting them pass so they don't get stuck inside you. So start small. Just one deep breath, one journal entry, one quiet minute of meditation. Every little bit helps you build your letting go muscle. What helps you let go when you're trying to control everything? Share your story in the comments. It might really help someone else. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.